Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how do I make Brinjal Masala Curry. Here the gravy is been made with onions and tomatoes and mainly with the roasted coconut, sesame seeds and the groundnuts. So let's start now. First we need to fry the brinjals. So in a pan add 2 tablespoons of oil. Cut the brinjals into 4 parts like so. Here I have removed the stem. Usually for this curry the stem is not removed. Also make sure to soak the brinjals in salt water for 20 to 30 minutes. Now fry the brinjals until it is 70 to 80% is cooked. Now cover and cook on low flame until it is partially done. Meanwhile we'll start preparing the masalas. To the preheated kadai or pan, add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera and roast for a minute, and then add groundnut and grated coconut, followed by sesame seeds and black peppercorns. Make sure to add all the ingredients based on the roasting time. Once it is roasted well, grind to a fine paste and keep aside. Meanwhile, we'll check the brinjals. Flip around and cook the brinjals until they are 80% is cooked. Cover and cook on the low flame. Meanwhile, we start preparing the masala. To the kadai, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and add some mustard seeds and allow to splatter. Followed by green chilies as preferred. Now add some curry leaves if you wish to, followed by onion paste and salt until the smell goes off. When onions are partially sauteed, add turmeric powder, salt and ginger garlic paste and roast very well. Once the onions are sauteed well, add 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of red chili powder and fry it. Make sure to saute well before adding the tomato puree. Now add the tomato paste. Here I have taken 1 tomato as we are adding tamarind paste as well and saute it until the raw smell is gone. Once everything is roasted well and forms together, add the grinded paste and fry for a few minutes. Pour little water to the bowl and add the remaining paste. Now add garam masala and the tamarind water. Check the seasoning and add salt if required. Now add fried brinjals and cook for a few minutes. After 5 to 6 minutes, add finely chopped coriander leaves and switch off the flame. Now our Brinjal Masala Curry is ready and enjoy with white rice or roti. If you like the recipe, do give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.